Hi. Okay, as I shared in my last night's email with you, I am pre-ordering this product. So this is up for pre-order until the 22nd. And I promised you that today I was going to share the different shades of beige of my cover. And instead of just writing it out and sending you photos, I thought, why don't I just show you the video instead, because I can really show the product a lot better. So let's do that. So initially, the official pre-order was supposed to be just before we exhibited at the London Stationery Show, which was in May. But let me show you and let me know what you think. This is the original Productize Your Method Planner. It has a bronze gold stamping and a light shade of beige. And why I think this is still very beautiful, I felt it's not fully it. And I went back and forth, different shades of beige. I ended up feeling a little bit ridiculous as well, that I was just being a little bit too particular here. But this is a product that I want to have for many years. It's not something where I feel like this is a decision that I don't want to make. I want to make this decision of making it the vision that I really feel like, yes, that's it. So this is the new shade of beige. And I put the other one next to it because maybe now you're not seeing the difference. Maybe you are. I hope you do. So here, this is the new shade. I went for a gold instead, a different shade of gold. And it is just a slightly deeper beige. And I feel not only does it look much nicer this way, and also this cover, even though in person it is beige, it can sometimes look like gray on photos or videos. So it's like, not ideal. I don't want to change this later on. I want my cover to be the one that I choose. This is going to be my signature product when it comes to productizing one's method, right? Basically, what's inside this product is the method that we have used to create lots of different types of products and to have a method that someone might be sharing through Zoom rooms, worksheets, PDF files, something that someone is really passionate about. How do we productize that particular method into a physical product? Okay, so real quick, before I show you what's inside the planner, the pre-order is going to be until the 22nd of July. It includes a free session, which is a method mapping session. This session helps you identify what it is of the things that you do and teach and share with the world that you want to put into a product, and how it can be a very strategic compounding asset for your business. So that's something we're going to do on July 27th. So this is a bonus for getting the pre-order. Also, you get free shipping worldwide. So no matter where you're ordering from, this is going to be shipped for free. There are no additional shipping fees. It's $49 as a pre-order, and you get access to this product. Because it's a pre-order, once we have the orders in until the 22nd, we are going to then communicate with the manufacturer and start production in August. The production is roughly 30 days, and once the production is done, we will then start shipping. Depending on where you are in the world, you might get your product early September to end of September, because it depends. Shipping time will vary around the world. And of course, if you want to have our help in creating and productizing your own method, you want to have help in thinking your product through, and you want to have help in creating your very own business asset, and you don't want to have any manufacturing headaches, and you want to have support in getting this done, I have also put a link down below that you can check out, and you can book a call with us as well and learn more about the collective. This is also how I've created my planner, through our manufacturing network that we share with the collective, and where we basically manage the orders for you and help you navigate all of the manufacturing bits so that you can focus on your business. Okay, you wanna see what's inside of this product? So this is the product that guides you through the steps. It's a 8-step system, and it basically has all of the different pieces that we share with people when we want them to make strategic decisions. So this is a strategic helper, because not only does it help you to think through your strategy of like, why do you want to have this product, right? In my case, this is a top of a funnel product, but also it's a client support product. So that means that not only am I going to use this to attract more people into our world, but also for those that are already in our world to get results, to be able to work through and have a support piece. So that's the first step. What it guides you through next is looking at your method. And I find that often people are not entirely sure, well, what is my method? Or they feel like, I have a really big method. Like, how do I put this into a product? How could this even look inside a product? So we think through the different strategic pieces and guide you through the A to B journey. How do we identify what are the pieces that would be helpful implementation tools? And the next step of this then helps you identify what type of product would that be? Would that be a daily planner, daily journal? Is this a card deck? And it guides you through that. Once we have our path, we think about what's the overall concept of our product. So here again, you see this product really guides you through the thinking process, because that's one of the most important bits. Later on, the content on the page is obviously also important, but we need to do all of this front work. And as you can see, it doesn't have to be like heavy front work. It's basically some questions that you want to have answered so that you can make the right decisions for your product. And then only we move into content. So this product guides you through possibilities of like what your product flow might look like, what your style of implementation is for the end user, and we think through the pieces that go into it before we think of pages. And then here we have lots of different examples of what that might look like. Guides you through a checklist of things that you want to have inside of your product, different types of pages, estimating your page count, choosing the rhythm. Is this a daily product, a weekly, a step-by-step? Then some space to map out your product. And I love this part. Let me show you how to think about the title, the subtitle, where is that going to go on the product? What is going to be on the title page? How are you going to think about the cover, right? What's going to go on the front, on the spine, on the back? And it gives you lots of room to sketch out, have some ideas, because all of this front work of thinking about what this might be helps you to then go to the next step, the design of the pages. And then from there, once we looked at all of the design pieces, we move into printing. Why we want to manufacture, why not necessarily print on demand, what do you want to be looking for in a manufacturer, where to find the manufacturers, profit margins, and all of the good stuff. The sampling process, how to check your sample. For those of you who've already been in our world, you are familiar with these steps, but this product is helping you go step by step. And even if it's your second or third product, this can be so helpful to really think your product through. And if it's your first product, obviously, it also can help you think this product through. I'm super excited about this pre-order, and I'm really happy I chose this cover instead, and that we are now moving into the pre-order. The pre-order is going to be until July 22nd, and also what's included is a method mapping session that is going to be on the 27th of July. And what that basically is, we want to think about how your product can become your compounding asset. I shared in a previous email, and if you haven't seen that, I really recommend going back to emails and reading through it. My goal with this planner is not to sell planners. Obviously, yes, I want to sell this, but this is a compounding asset for my business. It represents my methodology, and also it helps people through the process, but also allows people to get to know us and work with us in other capacities if they want to have support. If that is through the manufacturing, right? I created this product through my manufacturing network that is inside the collective. And that is one way that we work with people, but it's also the way that I created my own product, right? So I want to show with my own product, basically all of the things that we do. And if someone receives the product, can go through the method, they feel like they resonate, they can always come to us and get support in having their products created. So in essence, that's what this is. I seriously can't tell you how excited I am for this product to be in many hands of creative people that have something beautiful to share with the world, and that needing to be in a physical form. I feel like, especially with all of the AI and how digital everything is becoming, we need a bit more physical products. We need a lot more in real life and memorable, beautiful signature programs, and less, I would say, it slop, AI slop out there. Okay, if you have any questions, just reply to this email and I'm happy to answer. In the meantime, have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye.